are going on the market because the news they actually have a huge impact in the market and they can definitely affect your setup. So the first thing you gotta check up is the news. So today is November 19. November 19 is actually 1 p.m. here in Dubai right now. Okay. Where are you guys from? You can comment in the comment section below where you guys are from. Yeah, since we are going to build a community, our goal is to get to know each other and then help each other as much as we can so that we can all benefit from this. All right, so we got a GBP news at 2 p.m. and we got the CPI for CAD at 5:30 p.m. So we don't really have any high impact USD news for today, which is good. Okay, then. Now let's go straight to the charts so that I can break down how we are going to analyze the markets. As you all know, I use the BTM method. So, okay, let us begin with, okay, USD CHF, right? USD CHF. Let's see. Make this a bit smaller. The one is, okay, USD CHF. Right. So what's going on USD CHF? That's what we're about to break down right now. Screen has been, okay. So as you can see, price has been rising, pullback, rising, pullback, rising. So this was low key higher highs and higher lows. So we were literally in an uptrend until here when they broke the higher low. So we're now going down to the downside, which means we are now potentially on downtrend. So what's the first thing which that we are going to do is the first thing we are going to mark our levels so that we can better understand. And usually when we're marking our level, it's better for you to mark them on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So let us mark, we got, okay. This can be our W formation. Let me just put a red out there. Yeah, this can be our W formation. Let us put a little red. Okay. All right. And we also call peak formation low, right? Because we can see from this point, that's when the market started rising. So it's important to actually identify this point. So we got level one. We count our levels through consolidations. Let's put the consolidation. Where is it? Okay. So as you can see, price rose for 1 day, then the next thing it started consolidating, failing to break this point until it broke again. This is Monday. On the next Monday, it broke again to the higher side, and we happen to see a little bit of more consolidation as well here. Okay, so we got level one, level two, and another consolidation as well. Okay, level three. So we got level one, level two, level three. So we can see now a drop to level one. So we might want to see a bit of consolidation here or pullback and hit to the high side to continue drop to do like level one, level two, and level three, or perhaps drop, consolidate, and maybe give us a reversal pattern so that we can actually have a reset. So, okay, let's go to the lower chart so that we can see what's going on right now. The lower charts, we're dropping. Let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, price is clearly on the downside. As you can see, it's making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower high. So at this point, we might be expecting another lower low, though I don't like how this candlestick painted out here. So let us add the time zones template, USD CHF. So right now we want to add the time zones. Okay, now we got the time zones. So that's going to help us with our entries. All right. As you already know, we have level, let me do this. As you already know, we have level one consolidation, rise level two, level three. So we're now expecting price to drop. So as you can see where we are currently at, we saw that price went down. Pullback gave us M formation. So now ideally we would be expecting price to actually continue to the downside. Okay, this is what USD CHF. Yeah, we would expect price to continue to the downside. Yeah, this candle is looking kind of good. So for those of you who don't know, the blue box is actually the Asian session. So we're now in the London session. So as you can see, we have the first leg of the M, then we have the second leg of the M, and price dropped, pullback, and we're expecting price to continue to drop to the downside on a sell. So I would say that this is actually a proper sell setup, given that we have a lot of confirmations right now. As you can see, price broke above the Asian session, made our M formation, and price closed below the 13 EMA. And as we go to the TDI, we can see our information as well outside the boiler band. Outside, we can see an M formation as well to the downside. Maybe this, ideally, I would want this to just be a pullback and then continue to the downside. So we would actually enter a sell here. Right. So let's just say we enter a sell here. All right. At this point, let me mark it for you guys. All right. Yeah, so this is our sell point, and our take profit would be, let us check. We gotta check how many peeps this pair moves on a daily basis on an average, right? Okay, this is what. Hold on a sec. Okay, so 45 peeps here. We began here. About 61 from here till here. About 54. So we could say on average, this pair moves about 41 pips, or we could say 50 pips on in a day average. So we would also be expecting price to at least, let's see, ideally a 45 pips, right? So ideally, let me see, I hope this is the right area. Okay, ideally we would be expecting price to come. Okay. Yeah, okay. So ideally we would expect price to come. Okay, somewhere around this area here. So when it comes to this setup, um, we could enter a sell here. Yeah, when it comes to this setup, we could enter a sell here, and our stop loss goes above this here. Let me make the line blue. Okay, or should I leave it as red? Okay, yeah, let me just do this. Okay, right. So this would be our TP, and this would be our entry. Just make it red, green, or whatever. Okay. And this here would be our stop loss. All right. So in this setup, we have our stop loss placed 18 pips above. No, actually 12 pips above. And our TP about 39, 40 pips above. Okay. Okay. 39. Yeah. 39, 40 pips below. So this would be our entry for today on USD CHF. That's how I break down the charts on a daily basis. So now let's just wait and see what the charts are going to give us. And yeah, I'll get back. Okay, team. Let us see. We're back. Okay. So as you can see, price definitely rejected the upside. Our stop loss is above and out of range. Prices started dropping, but our TP is still down here, all the way down here. So ideally, I would want price to at least close below this blue dot here, which is the Asian low and yesterday's low. Close below the blue dot, then maybe consolidate a small pullback, then continue to the downside. So ideally, if it closes below the blue dot, we can at least move our stop loss to break even, and then we can just continue to hold the rest of the trade risk-free. So for now, that is it. Let us see how this goes, and I'll be updating you guys on this trading setup. Yeah. Okay, updates on the trade we took earlier in the morning. As you can see already, price has been dropping, and from our analysis that we made earlier on in the morning, price was praying somewhere around the area of 88379, and right now we have dropped up until the area of 88144. And we can see that we're already halfway to our TP. So the best thing we can do right now is move our stop loss to halfway or to break even, so that even if price reverses, we can already secure our profits either way. So the strategy in itself is a bit hard. However, I have developed a solution that can help you guys. Even for complete beginners, you can literally start earning starting from today without the need of any personal knowledge. So I will drop a link below so that you guys can click, so that you can get access to my system, which I have inbuilt this specific strategy in the system, so that you can personally benefit from it and make money from it, guys. Okay, so click the link below and get access to it, and see you guys on the next video.